try and get some work done today on the new race bike. Just going to swap this fuel cap while I'm at it and take out the original one and put in a race one. Just gets rid of the key then. A lot of people just end up drilling the barrel, so you can put a screwdriver in to open them. I just prefer just to swap them. You can get them pretty cheap nowadays. A few more in there. There's one more inside which I forgot about. Just grab a screwdriver. If I can find the right one, that is. This one will do. Still stuff absolutely everywhere after the weekend. It's all the same when I go racing. This is the old one with the key type. Just going to swap it with this. If we can get it lined up properly. It seems to be sitting down quite right. Should do it. It all seems to be sticking proud. That's just about done. Put the centre in. It's a screw type this. Everyone's got pins in, but it doesn't make much difference. There we go. So we'll have to look for the key now. Click on some more stuff in a minute. Just put some fuel in it. One thing I haven't checked is whether or not it goes through all the gears okay. So I'm just going to warm her up. Back in a second and check if it goes through them or not. Got her warmed up. I haven't got a chain on it at the moment, so it's just a case of going through it without the chain on. It's a very nice noise, it's in this last gear now. Gears alright. That'll do for now. I'm going to get her on the dyno at the end of the week hopefully. So I'm just making sure it actually selects gears before I take it. Be getting a chain on it shortly. and I might try a different CDI I've got. I might just leave that till I get to the dyno and plug it in there. See what the difference is between the two. Just got the new chain on. It needs a bit of adjustment, but it's not too bad. I'm going to clean all the grease off that, and it should be alright. Well, she's ready for the dyno in a couple of days. A few things that need doing, the fairings need going on, but I'm not putting them on because these forks, it's just standard forks that I put in just because I took the other ones out and put them in my race bike, #1 race bike. Still, oil filter changed to a race 1 watt wire. I'm going to change it again. Something's still not wired. So it's come off the dyno. I'm going to drop the oil again and give it another oil change, just because there's a lot of condensation in the engine through being sat. As you can see, so it's a bit white. It's just condensation. It's been sat for quite a few years, so it'll be getting another oil change. I've noticed rear brake sticking slightly, so I'm going to overhaul that when it gets back. And that's about it for now. Should be ready to go on the track soon. When I'm going the dyno on Friday, I thought I'd just change the main jets on #1 bike. Running very rich between 6 and 9. I've got the longer needles in, so I can't really adjust them. So I'll just put 107.5 main jets in. I thought it had some 1.8s, but I haven't, so I'm going to try them. Taking out the 110s. Hopefully it should make a difference, we'll see on Friday. Well, bit of a lesson for some people. I was just taking the jets out of that carb, which was this one. This happens to be the only cylinder, the valves are open, and I dropped the jet. I thought, oh no. Luckily, I found it. Took the airbox off and it's just sat there. So, crisis averted. Quite lucky. Usually my luck it fell straight in, but got away with it this time.